Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE dishwasher spray arm mounting hub. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the spray arm mounting hub. The spray arm mounting hub is where the middle spray arm mounts. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged, causing the spray arm to come loose and the dishes in the upper rack aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the upper rack out. Then we can go underneath and use the 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screw that holds the spray arm in. As you're unscrewing it, you want to grab the spray arm so you don't drop it. Once you have the screw out, you can drop the spray arm down and pull it out. Now that we have the spray arm out of the way, we can take out the screw that holds together the two halves of the spray arm mounting hub. Once you have the screw out, there's a little locking tab right here that we have to release. If you have to, you can use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop it free. Once you have it released, we can drop the assembly down. Then we have to pull it off the water supply tube. Once you have it off, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. To get the upper mount off, we're just going to lift up on this side, and then we can slide the other end off the rack. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old spray arm mounting hub next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the upper piece on, we're just going to line it up on the rack and push it over. And then we can lower it down and snap in the other side. Once you have it snapped on, we can go put the bottom half on. To put the lower half in, we're just going to put the water supply tube into it first. Then we're going to put the left side into the mounting bracket first. Once you have that side in, we can snap in the right side. Now we can put the screw in that holds it together. We're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put both these screws in. Now we can put the middle spray arm on. All you have to do is lift it up into place, and then we can put the screw and the washer back on. Now that we have the part installed, we can push the upper rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.